David here with MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. Today we are on a 2025 Harris 230 Sunliner. We have the beach tan interior, woven carpet under my feet. The Sunliner has cross stitching and two-tone accent, armrests, molded seat bases that pull up with plenty of storage underneath. As we move aft, we'll stop at the helm. We have a 7-inch Simrad on the dashboard, upgraded sound system, wireless phone charger, power bimini top, interior lights, tilt steering wheel, high back dual chairs. As we come back, you'll see the center walk-through design, which has 3 individual gates and a giant large playpen. This boat is available at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. Come on down and let's take a look.